na on to we na boy na from the boy na di we ni buy na ben kofi ejina nim ho na obisa ben se o kan Ghana for no na o se na o se goalkeeper na soma anyo obia o ben kofi coach na o de ma ben na ben so from me de be man na ben je ka about 45 minutes na time was on aye ko stadium for the finals no na ben kofi ti hu de onye on fa ma no nko no nche na ye me he ana na mo timi da go enti time so be John chance no captain enti o call room by room akoy na Robert Ada hare na munitions asa enti o
for the GPL the best referee for the year will take home a car at the end. I am very sure that our referees will be happy. The whole idea is to encourage our referees to be competitive and to deliver top-notch performances over the course of the season. And in saying this, let me say thank you so much to ZAZ for being the official referee partner. We're talking about kit partner for the upcoming season. Each of the match officials.
Is Naranya or him one point? Game minimum no talking. Okay. Because Ghana for any chances to play. No, they have the ball in 2 format. Play. South Africa. But because they play like that, I don't know, Zama very Jordan so yes.
Oh, actually, game no or a crucial game. Now that Ghana will win for, but that will for the next stage. Into no, what's more thing for you? No, there. Why as in Queen Zana and a shame. It's way too many years and after that. Nine. Just
Okuma Radio.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, are you
Okuma Radio 97.1?
ready? For the thousands in attendance
Okuma Radio.
and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
All right, we are here Mobibia Kwapa and from Okuman 97.1 Okuman Global Sports. And we are so Yatima say na and ocean some of here crop yasante and the writer the banana say I know dem papa and to no bonnet to nothing so no to me and something in a good ho executive producer Yura Kofi Anton Bafo Sansona Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman. A producer extraordinaire, head of sports. Bobo and Steven Yinano, Eddie Amaya, Yansono, Yetumi, Eddie Bass, Senamica, and Crobia Santawaha, or the Ebequaman, now Funsaman and Sem, Eddie about World Cup Moon Sem, near Costo Doha Kata, Unum Sende, 4 p.m. Ghana time. 4 p.m. Ghana time. na ene no eye World Cup draw no the FIFA World Cup draw ye be pono eye November December no ene ana draw no ebeto ja club ya bebo emu na afin so wa kire nse ne ahyehyɛ no enso etifa etie ewo draw na se onim se FM panyifo the Ghana Football Association panyifo akoduo president Elma FM no Keto Kreku vice president Makado ana Prosper Harrisonado ono general secretary Elma the Ghana Football Association mo omunyina kopie mu ha omo share nim se ne 4 pm don beto jana Ghana so ye team sa ana amaya ye no mbebo World Cup no nti ye be call na club ya boyemu draw no hyehyɛ onim se no ada seedings ne ba ye na na simu na afunso won amaya letuma qualify so far ka 3 teams are ometima joining teams aka no na afunso nya all 32 teams are omebo game no and as a World Cup no and so no right as we boyemu onim se no ada Premier League game back to draw Kumasi Kodoko ene Karela itime boy 1-1 and I game ni wie ya ono so dia mana ebo ebi fi abana afisi abedi nkomo Black Star on sensem draw no on sensem and then you focus no our draw ni mu you focus no our draw ni mu na eno ma say be draw no teams are Ghana be sha ba da ure ma ura confessor we kasa but one team there conk I don't know yakoba me do to ja one team there conk so we dey our Ghana group intino I don't know me din Kelvin Amponsa Eddie obetimi afrɛ me AK na just say bibibia etimi aye kama pa and so ho enti I don't know Zigibi and so ebo ma Facebook no etwa gunte no obetimi join live on Facebook na just say watch Jumedi no YouTube so no Command Radio 97.1 Facebook for no kwa like page no share na fofo nya bi nhwe na afin so no fa comment no fatuo na bibibia so no enye kama enche adwa bejo ene na bibia kama ntino club ya ha club ya bia kama
eke bibia ya kama obadi atan ma ye bedana se yakwa akoda and wetumi aboye ho ba ma de patch dia ye ndana se dieye ene de anko yie nyina no ye mfa aseda ma no o se papa bonio ye mfa aseda ma no nti I think se bibia no eye kama papa na money show no emu ye de ene mitie akwentu no
yes obra
kwentu no eke nemu yede papa unse I think say Mr. KB area de sronku bia to the entire Ghanaians no obi abe hu say a different style kra no de aba
yes
because unse especially Ghanaians yende ni say nipa ni bewu ne fe yakofa ne classmates ne namfo
so won be ka ni tribute akese
won bra be ka ni nioma pa bi obeye wasase so
ente
bra ni funu da ho
ente
okay we different class unse oye super
and Kofi Anson Bafo
yes
heavy
what's the time bofo
mra ko bofo mra tibrim
aha
no what ase na ye be kai wanye se wawu ko no
enye wawu ko no
wawu ko de ye kwa ko ye pentam kwa ko to achen na jollof ase ya very ya fina ya brego
efina o me ne ko University of say
on that one until University of Serbia and they are ase se celebrate no
and me tena ase na me say Charlie program
super
odwene ho kwechi pa hu say okay and that form but them wo ho
and then some wo so de na so de ye be wura mu odo ha
okay ye dibribia reba enti enei me de kata and stadiums na say stadium na wo de be host no and me de ba ko pe na eba me de ba ko pe na eba
fantastic
me de din be tu gwa
yes wo gba wura ba ko bi na say nyu so na
Ronaldo hu asem wo ho
Cristiano Ronaldo
akwa no
Alvaro dos Santos
waka no ho
odin sama ba
waka no ho waka
Ronaldo
na FIFA president Endra Congress na say o se nchini ye do
Gianni Infantino
nchini ye de
osuro be wana
Infantino se nchini ye do eti Facebook o mo be twene na ne ye domosu ko kata draw ne beba yes and draw no ene wote ha but we betumi ehu time ye bebo final date bribia
time ye opening ceremony ne kick off no and there ye bebo final ne time ye bebo final ne nyina wie no
if I say Ghana cry qualify maybe Ghana wo group E say Ghana qualify wo group E group ben
team no be to fantastic.
Yes.
Ni nyina no crop ya sante de beba.
Boss, yeah the boss abo work up pa.
Okay.
Boss football. Yes.
A man it's local boss there.
Yeah the football abo awodo. Na ne ma hwemu anam say ni awode buy Ndra ya Ndra won say we introduce new ball aye de bebo 2022.
Yes, no Arela.
Inti me wo ho anam say ene ma memfa bribim bra se ne ye be kai amanfo nso boss ayen use okay
ma ka 2010 oh you commentary say Jabulani so yebo so vuvuzela ne you know Jabula on say vuvuzela na ne boy dede no
yes
you know abra Ghana say go no and South Africa mom say I say that Jabulani is making a lot of noise. Hey, Jabulani is yebo.
Yes, it take from 1990 to 2022
World Cup ayabonya
the boss
official match ball no
na me di bia dingaba na de entia wo mu chusu
Sandy no
such names no
fantastic
me dey ase chire
yes wo no educative program na what's the show no ye show bi abetra de dey start we no you sua dey start say ye educate ni pa no enye ball na keke ball na betra kan ye ni educate afis one hu ne ekode ne eba it's no from 1990
yes
abepem and 2022
yes
World Cup ebe ball no official match boss aye yisu edin that so any dey am first I didn't know fantastic
ongrof na ka won hu o
for
yem brothers yi
aya Nigeria na
what the go
yes o ma wi ava no as Nigeria for na wi ava stadium
what the go
someone no dey wi possible mo she no enso mo yo
Piqué akasa o
Piqué
me no be din komo sa de no
sa
o Gerard Piqué Gerard Piqué o say Ndra o na man no si no o ko pi okoma nso Facebook ana o ko share kakra but o share the way presentation ni koi and how deep are you koi e wo katana Piqué o wakaso ya komra
alright ntino yanko na fenso na manane sam krobia sante enfamra
De Bruyne drifting away from N'Golo Kanté. Kevin De Bruyne! Oh, wow! At full gallop. It's the parochial enemy and Liam Peckham merit. And Manchester United have a nasty hill to climb on their own turf again. He's boss. He is boss.
Right, Okuma 97.1 Okuma Global Sports and Ebredu say yedi ensemwa hekoso ewa mahudroso no yedi ne nyina eba bebremo ye tidbit around the world of sports ana yedi eba dia ekoso dia etwetwegu ene bibia no yedi ne nyina enso eba nti ubeko Facebook na wonso wetumi adwene na dia eba no footages no ne nyina wonso wetumi enyani na wetumi ahwebi na bibia so no etumi aye kama Ndra Barcelona wo mo captain and as a deputy captain Gerard Piqué Ndra odwene ewo Facebook Okuma 97.1 and just after the show no abrantie no etumi akasa etino bedwene wo Facebook na bibia so no etumi aye kama edino eye Krobia Asante Nana Kofi Okore Ajiman together with AK and the writer commentator womo aboabu ansem na so no abon se bede se men kono kwanten kro na men so menfa presentation no embra kama upiemu ewe ne production room wa obo se zigibi enso ene listo wo eboa ama bibia so no etwegu ewe the social media platforms a Okuma enso edi adencheche ewo so no nyina enti udwane a na so o hwe dia ekone ye be hyase na ye de nsem no etumi aba onum se nenu international break no yen etumi ede aba na wie into the major top European leagues no ni nyina enso start homa bibia so no etumi aye kama into the major league no ni nyina start French league sanso ana Italian Scudetto no start the English Bundesliga Premier League no and also start sanso ana Spanish Premier Division ni nyina eba French league no ni nyina start this weekend Fimande ekono ye the results no ene said the nyoma ekwe nyina no enso ebeba aba bedan sanso ana nim no ukomu a bibia enso etumi kama bebo awremu na yanga hwensem no ti udwane ewo Facebook efe na actions na nkasa ene reactions no enso eba Algerian FA president papa ye friend no Sharaf Edin Amara ene openipa no edi na ejuma ato as an FA president for the Algerian Football Federation enti papa ye friend no Sharaf Edin Amara ono nso etumi edi na ejuma nyina enso etumi ato sanso na executive board no ni nyina wo mo dissolve obi bia akọ enti te say Ghana hanom a Keto Kreku yeko Afcon Beya anyeye na Keto Kreku a resign na executive board members no obi bia enso efiso enene nea akoso ewo Algeria bibi bia so no eye kama na mbom no before na president ne beko no or the report enso ekodan FIFA petition kese pa se eniema ekoso ewo Cameroon na so Algeria time Algeria ebe yi wo mu film ewo wo ma wo mu home soil no nyoma bi ko so ankoye enti FIFA nhwem emu da ho a game no wo mo nso ehwenim se FIFA ebetumi ama wo ma bo game ni bieu na bibia so etumi aye kama no se 2017 South Africa enso eni Senegal sa nyoma we ebi ekoso ma wo bo no foforo eno anane Algeria na efe no enso esusu se wo mo so bi betumi akọ edi ama wo ma bibia so no etumi aye kama na zigi mamesa video we Antonio Rudiger ni agent ene Antonio Rudiger ni agent akopiemu ewo Barcelona endrada na pie time a okoy no ukọ ene meeting ase a wo mko piemu ewo ene hotel big hotel pa ana Antonio Rudiger Chelsea defender no ni agent ekopiemu wa won Barcelona ene wo mo panipa Alemani wo mo ekoye meeting 3-hour meeting say abrantia no ebetumi free Chelsea and the free transfer no so etumi akodwane na bibia so no etumi aye kama enti ube hu se nei no agent no esi fam a ono so ebuewremu ewo ene hotel ho ama meeting no etumi ekoso na meeting no after Andre Nwumre no womo describe ne say it was a successful meeting between ene Alemania ojinemu na Barcelona ene agent a ene no ojinemu edema Antonio Rudiger no bibia etumi fine eno ana na Spanish tabloid no na womo so report e ho no ma bibia so no enso etumi kama tuba Facebook o koma 97.1 ubehu se de nyoma so no etwegu nti Antonio Rudiger ni agent no ana ono so eko ana bibia so no etumi kama eke obeba because zigi obehu bibia kama obehu bibia ene Gerard Piqué ono so former ene Spanish international no sinaka edema Spanish national team no as a defender no abrante no unum say 2018 and ono so etumi retire from football 2018 and abrante friend no Gerard Piqué retire from football na oninema say no Barcelona and abrante no ewa ono so esina kan na abrante no edin sema betugua papa eke and abrante no also wo hwana oko Facebook na obai na che foreign presentation no ekoso and obai no say okuma mfupa na de kata etumi ababe do social media na che enyoma ehu nti ordinano di sem or consider abrante na retire 2018 ton or retire abrante ni sisia ni team aye na or consider o hwedewu a endra the city of Qatar o hwe the environment and said the anyoma ekwa abrante ni so consider say obetumi say overturning the decision or make it way back 2018 no wetumi asa abesia kan e diama no Spanish team no national team no so etumi akọ na nyoma ekoso wakata no ndeni say World Cup bia ene dia wako nyina no wetumi ehu bi da nti sa de fe de ono so betumi akokata eno ne nsem asisi a Gerard Piqué ono so consider homa bibia so no etumi aye kama Brazil etumi de womo jersey a World Cup no waka akose no leaked one where you leaked into your Okuma Global Sports ya ye hwehwemu a ana yetumi akoyi aba say obi amehwe bi eye leaked nti eye leaked yang ye diaba ye ne won pen fu akasa we see your right say ebetumi diaba nti ukwa ubehu Brazil wo new jersey a World Cup no home and away so wo bu away jersey a wo behye home no ubehu dia wo behye nti ni nyina e ho aye feye papa ai ne Brazil so no wo nso etumi e dia bai ne kata ebeye fe ebeye de ye hwenim say Ghana Black Stars the FA no enso ebeye ntutuye na ene jersey a yenso ye de bekọ World Cup no kata na se no wo nso e de beba na bibia so no etumi aye kama nti Brazil wo already wo di wo jersey no a leaked one but me ye the bar na you authentic into story no enu ya na yetumi breaki and so the ama FIFA president Gianni Infantino and rather e was 72nd and congress e course of FIFA so ye e wo Doha Qatar no papa ne dia to gas e be na ho eho a say nenim panifo no executive bodies any other federations no president awodo no ne ketokrekunum ene Patrick Motsepe oka kire mu say 2023 about to umbeto FIFA president no ono so ebetumi akọ obe stand bio we declare an intention and bra ewo congress na so obekọ intiano ne nsema Gianni Infantino FIFA president o say eduma no eye de engine ye de papa into obesin akọ for the second time 2023 ono so ehwe nim say obetumi a contest bio na wetumi ewini na bibia etumi aye kama intindra ordinary desrede eye ni plea eto ene no other federations no wo mo penny for no enim so betumi akọ 2023 nti yehwe nim say Gianni Infantino ono so eka ene no wo mo a ebetumi apre no eho na bibia so no etumi aye kama ene yewremu ewo kata nti zigi nti se abri uba Facebook a obehu Brazil home and away jersey no ubehu eye kama papa Brazil wom home and away jersey no and so eda homa bibia so no eye kama zigi yebewremu wo kata yebewremu ewo kata ni aka akọche first story no mame tunnel no ene kata wo mo tunnel no stadium a yefre no Khalifa International Stadium mame tunnel no keke mame tunnel no keke ni yenhwe ade wo obeba because yewremu wo kata yenhwe tunnel no nyoma ekoso ewo hono mo yenhwe se de nyoma eko ntino obema yewremu ewo kata ni akohwe said ya nyoma nso no etumi ekona stadium no ye complete wo ma ye bibia wie sisi ano wo hwe wo mo a na wo mo ye in charge of the nyoma pieces nkitikiti bia wo be kan wo mo esiesie ho aprepra ho kekenti first picture no zigi first one be ma me tunnel no we be ma me tunnel no picture stadium a ye friend no Khalifa International Stadium
anu we infant tunnel no
yeah say un say before our players no be buewremu of field ne so no baby a wo mu be two player teams no obaku gina benkum nifa wo mu be line up no
super ye dey akwa I say gugu
tunnel no da no eke we enye hwe ye tunnel
we that say ayi tamna 3
eke baby a players be tie na won aba pitch so abe
bo mo asio
tunnel nini
yera kebi mamtia yera kebi gata ne we dey we kona sa tunnel ubuni na ayi street ne yera kebi tunnel idie go for na bom ho it tunnel ni na fire call this one
zigi fire call enei my pitch no stadium no say eye dia ye kata su ni bi o udabi we wo popular stand o center line o lower VIP o upper VIP o VIP masa insuto a emro
ano din
pitch na nkasa stadium pitch stadium no yo zuba Khalifa International Stadium.
Where Khalifa International Stadium. Oh, Qatar.
Yes.
Zana World Cup games ni be koso.
Yo, eke.
Hey.
Intino, one more groups ni we are. And we be say group
we be stadium
we na mombo. Sa, inti anu ni ye di ni nyina be ba fijo da kono. Yes, inti Khalifa, one more international stadium no. Eni ni high stadium.
Ya na she baba yare ne ayi enkran ne Cape Coast dia. On then I coast I now we be two and go share da. Theater dreams are. Chakai.
Ekon wo ho. Zigi my third one no, ekon no. Said how I want to fix the air conditions.
Air condition that was stadium.
Oh, okay. One say players no heat na no ye thing. Inti players na kasa benya a feel of. Inti ye where your players in den. Ba one way stance ni mu de ne dia bobo, but where your players no dey keke.
Na be pitch no so na your players na feeling no.
Onyunu beba pitch ne so.
That's right.
Enuni.
Hey.
Inti yes. O bobo na confirm ho.
Bobo yo go kan bobo ni ekon na mo bobo ni ekon
yes no
echedu wai Okore arrangement no yen ni you are killing kana. Kata ndi ebeko. Hey PK stadium we there Mr. PK stadium we there sa okwana akwohwe bi.
Yes.
Now stadium Kata FC. Stadium Kata FC a.
Yo eke.
Enye stadium ketwa.
Enye stadium ketwa.
Air condition.
Enye condition so bergo kodi fufu ya na be ka stadium air condition.
Yes. Inti eke. Enye we stadium ketwa.
Finance one to.
It is FIFA. The official song composed by Davido. From African International.
Obio.
Oh yes, any Trinidad Canado.
Nigeria Davido ya.
Yes.
Davido.
Yes.
Wow, Davido.
Yes.
Wow, Davido. I need to see.
Me.
Davido.
Yes. Inti one more the aba.
Oh no boy, money fall on you.
Yes, one more the hey. Enyumu no hey. Na hey no. Why na me say no, ma me nko hey because the year kata fu kasa esi afu ne kasa. Me nko hwe mu na just say better together.
Better
together. Yes. Yes.
Yes. To grow hey masa na
yes. Inti okay. Eti say yenya a feel. Okuma ye breaki ama ye tiefo nyina.
The official song for 2022 World Cup no.
Yes.
And you know, super. You have a feel no.
Akoma Radio.
Walk the walk on every street. Up on the ball, I went through her to my feet. Hit every discotheque and
my radio.
Yeah. I wanna party 8 days a week. I promise you now. Everything gonna work out. Every tomorrow, no matter what go down. I promise you now. Gonna be sticking around. Every tomorrow, no matter what go down.
Oh, fantastic. Robia.
Yes.
Well, you heavy.
Okay, you heavy.
The time is now and never.
Papa. Yes, and you heavy.
Yes, and you know, Okuma Global Sports.
Yes.
Then you breaky. Official song for 2022 World Cup.
Yes.
Obio, Davido.
You.
And then you know, on no Denny match.
On Trinidad Canada and Aisha. Yes.
Now,
okay. Video no. I know you think Papa. Video no. Okay, video no.
Video no.
But
yes.
Copyright. Yes. But
nyomone dear. Oh, nyomone
video no one more day. Maradona no.
Hey.
Lionel Messi.
That's the greatest of all time, no. Okay. We goats no kwa yemfa ayibia akoko bia mfam goats. Greatest of all time.
Super.
Feeling you.
Yes.
Up and down, but what can you do? We navigate through all the rough and the smooth. Yeah, we got that rock and roll, that rhythm and blues. Yeah. I'm never blue if I am rocking with you. I promise you now. Everything gonna work out. Baby, tomorrow, no matter what goes down. I promise you now. Gonna be sticking around. Every tomorrow, no matter what goes down.
Oh,
yes, fantastic. It is Ziggy ube mayen baby a draw ne be ko so wa ha na Ziggy mayen picture no
baby on be draw no
yes we need the in chain mu say no ana me de ma un say Ndra me de we na kasa inside
Congress
baby on Congress no second ordinary Congress no course no ho nti na ma manfa mba bio na momun makotwa side view Ziggy Fato so
baby on be gina draw
oh
Krobia. Oh, era kebi. Amicia, we na suja.
Na Ndra Gerard Piqué. Obehu okuma no say. Ore dwene ho. 2018 no retire but o hwe say.
Obeko 22 okwa bibia.
Ni ayede amman Ndra present niama se ne yakotam kata ba okuma ngen. O hwe anu say obeko bi.
FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022.
Yes.
Okay, we visual see na ba chire.
Yes, Ndra me the auditorium or buy into where outside view.
Some visual say the chire okay na ma ko na say. Atoje na visual say na be filu so obeko bi. Enti ni aba ko so Qatar.
Time ne ko. Enti no draw no ye be ba be ochina wo mu ye wia wo mu ye draw ne wia Monday we say at the time around 16 quarter finals ya de beba enti time ni ntinu ye be bo ye betwa ho ne yakofo fro so Ziggy fa ball no to
official match ball
from 1990 ebe pim and 2022 boss no ye de ba bia ni team
footballs na
footballs no
man beat
yes
so kaka balls
enti ye de footballs no ba and ye de ba ding na wo mo de to so any die entia
wo de din no to so
wo mo de sa din to so
me ball no
gwa hu boss no
me boss me boss
I hope it's a nice ball.
Abedu
one of the greatest balls I ball World Cup me
Abedu because network in here
Abedu
all right okay first one 1990 and Trusco Unico
yes
yeah no yeah Italy say one the host here yes
and that's ball
yes into day no say Italians no say romance no one say first romance anya no na one ye blacks into ye Asian memory and I say one the kakai yes
yeah say boss no memo ball be 4B
and my member enim ya 2010
2010
okay yes 2010 Jabulani
na me ball no
yes yes
inti I know na obo na ko obo kire benkum na no akofa difa no
and one would describe as the worst football
ayabo
FIFA for World Cup yes Womu say Jabulani.
Yes, because Ubo call left and then no
yes, womu say no ye west ayengenya. Yes. Until dingino din Jabulani no be happy.
Be happy. Jabulani.
And na womu kire say ntia womu fa be happy ni say African continent we should be happy say for the first time.
You host FIFA World Cup. Fantastic.
Yes.
Jabulani.
Yes, the other see in 2014 Brazuca. Where the Brazil for now share no say no. One more they are not one more citizens are one more outside.
Oh, okay. Let's say welcome home be as a brafie
yes.
Okay.
It's like a national pride.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Brazuca.
Yes.
And we are 2014 FIFA World Cup.
Brazil. 2018 Russia Ghana to Mankobi. It is born Yambobi. Russia. A Telstar. Yes.
Okay,
and Nina say television and star.
Oh, okay.
Na television and star no na before no I think one particular team be ana one womo crow to say about say be anka Kumase na television eniwo
okay
womo bobo wo bre womo nyina ba one
town no ma be share
tu be fi Kumase kura na wa ba kra be
TV oh okay
but that time mu no na TV aye den ebu.
Oh, okay.
Inti we do war Russia for host no where we fi bia obenya access to.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Could be actually at the end.
Okay.
Yes.
The last but not the least. Nedia ya baby boy.
Qatar
Al Rela. Yes, Al Rela. Qatar. And what we say the journey.
Oh,
yeah, the journey.
I say Ogbojeke. We come from far.
The journey ni say what we say. What we hwe mu a mi do mu asuko na ansem a wo mo kan say. Katafo n kire ni ntia wo mu chusu the journey ni say. Football no wo mo nhye dan yade. But they see this time a wo mo nya the right to host World
Cup. Even under 20, under 17,
yes. as a preface be able to me going forward no one must be to me buy into the scene
and we should be a kasa football fee any baby do na yes the journey ampa
enye de bia na ye betena ha aye oyise we no oyise we adesua pa yes nti ene we sua de wo koma papa
we that you be quiz it's on van show my dream
yes
walk up
you betumi a check credit wo ho walk up be
ticket na de crowd be ko
1930 first boy the boy then yes no wa kire ase
bisa official match ball
ajo ankasa crowd wa surprise
so no on per boss and I am ni meaning
okay ye ko but ye nko with that picture of the day but a picture of the day na yesrew ni mumma ye ahunyade Ziggy Fatu so eba na wa chem saba
picture of the day
yes
come here there no person mental and you are give a man go for mental on to say Adwanu no pe balls o
Ziggy mfani anipa ne kawo ne nkan fa first one nko ato so na me just obehu a yes
ayi antino
ansa na efe di anipa ne kawo no de aba aha abedu
me hu CR7
oh okay anyway into the den no me person me hwese den ni
dem sha CR7 there
Ziggy wo preo Ziggy
Cristiano Ronaldo
Anya watch no
Ziggy
engine watch
okay watch new what dey share
engine watch
yes new Bugatti watch ni
CR7 there no
I'm telling you new one Bugatti one customized no the bakata
obi dina
Cristiano Ronaldo customized Bugatti watch a Rex one a one fancy demo but obi ka chose made da o isu ya Ziggy fe fanankasa to so time a born nsa ne yehu se
anya man for there na teto baby no
obi watch ra okumasi
oh yes ne board but
am for asset pa property pa na e born nsa no
nti eyi kata
nti wo see Ronaldo di way
oh de ko kata
mo pe balls so ya chiriche wa chire mu
nti okay no yes edino eye Krobia Asante yes
ti Krobia Asante and I was telling Kasa ni na manana nsem wasan me asuade e wo mu no isi show no sa na te informative and educative na ntino so what me afa odie e wo mu ntino kata ne de abaye de pa you okay bi o cha ofi mi chiao aso ma kwa aba ntino sanso ambiem o so ambia ma kwa aba ntino sanso ambiem ntino vi ma so ma me wa ni be obeso ma ko ntino baba na fisam ama for stadium ube stadium bia wa ha wa so be se so de wa tena so right wa azuba
suba mama kwa aba
mama kwa aba
yes
me na mama kwa aba
yes okay
yi Krobia be stadium be wa oba na be ebrego be yi football field bia wa ha football field bia be park be park wa so be se playing grounds wa ha wa so be se
okay suba Jude chapter 1 verse 2 I say mercy peace and love be yours in abundance amen I don't know but we really in crashes ma catch the blasters nyame adoma draw ne beba no peace and love and do many because peace and love there will be there but super maybe BSc or the Ghana football me ne emperor nyadre from his excellency babesi Mr. Ketius Okreku BSc super me no manya de o de ba me bobo local ne so nkomra ko ba be di nkomo na ja say super every time ni o de ko
kasa na yankwe efisem no bi ani wo
bibi o say over the weekend
me playing grounds bi a
o da be say dey yam nya do ma Monday say out to you omo we no ya band omo enti Monday omo kokuma ase omne nkrofi sister your team enim team brekum Chelsea bebo Monday yam nya do ma kokuma ase na Sunday da be Saturday ba me sha se mpo fifi Saturday adi yam nya do ma ochena House of Folk name Diama. Ewo here Accra Sports Stadium 3 p.m.
Okay.
A game of the moment. Nyame aduma. Hey! So I don't bad you. So what is there we coach you about Pabero we Samu Bodu. Juba me hu omo we yehwe ya nipa kono ko delete abetro say April Fools. We are jokers in this country.
Na yes joke systems ana and system no sa.
And so Babaka ko ube ko Barcelona official website na we ko hu we conform use omo we say de abetro say open na yasaka na.
Omo dey proof.
Domo omudi. Nobody super nyame ado bochira House of Folk ne mediama Sunday
what's it trying for
House of Folk ne mediama across Sports Stadium 3 p.m. yes ochina and Saturday and Sunday Sunday hey Kumase King Faisal na ikotokobebo
hey what's it for
King Faisal na Kumase
for the third time this
me so many Kumase amde
Mama results
no dia say go opada nimlo lusu pa hey
Mama results
super no bad
King Faisal no
Kotoko Sunday
Mama results
okay Go Stars ne Dreams FC what fan Adriana Stars Wonders ne Accra Lions Lagos City ne Ashgold wono be ball Elwax Sports Stadium na Carolina United ene Bubu Quantin de Sharks the Arena time so Monday out you know Brekum Chelsea Bechem United and Great Olympics womo ebebo Monday Ghana Premier League table ne nie Kotoko 46 points Bechem 38 Adriana Stars 38 Olympics 36 Mediama 36 House of Folk 33 points relegation teams in here Wafa 22 out you 21 Wonders 21 Sharks 15 super Sharks 15 oh
Mr. Sharks over survive on
relegation okay nti anon komo eso na ba super ya me nsem no opa na ya kokata ba de esini nie on say Black Princesses under 20 omno ye first team omo qualify e dia FIFA World Cup
Costa Rica
omo no qualify we
okay
man boa yes no boa I like it but super the esini say omo qualify we na Black Stars be second team omo qualify ya to inside from ministry so
sadie no sa issue no na mehu se former players ni bi man bi kasa say omo no me the first team Ghana
national team we emphasize national team
this is your World Cup qualifiers
qualify yes
to World Cup na yanto nsa amfan from His Excellency Akachi me can say His Excellency Anton Sanfro but at least the Ministry of Youth and Sports and FB my arrangement na come committee His Excellency and come bom kwa Black Star kokora na nke den efe no mo do ma to you nipa efe na nkasa mu no get to kwa refi
I say I Black Stars
I kwa Black Princesses are qualified to under 20 World Cup and very very bad very bad pa enti ano you say can be media no so yambo
yambo mu ye last time yabeka wase asa isi na Black Star me do na me twom se da bi guess no ma no mo fa nyama bebre mu because ma tiri bedu obeyi but obejirem dia bobo eni brasemo obejirem dia bobo but blasters de bia blaster yenka say yembom ye baku yam koye ye twe but look at the winner mbanu ko Senegal Ethiopia rather consume 3-0 eba home ebe som 2-1 5-1 on aggregate
meme ye ko ya His Excellency Gajam so package the mom
yes
reach out to me no me said because no but o man o mom package motivate omo na be omo ko Costa Rica no me bi e ya ukui Costa Rica ya memo akui e say to me sha no ya arrangement
ya mame ose be ko e
no be ko
okay super
Costa Rica and over
ko say be so we crowd call that Costa Rica
and over ko a man say also per mass
me per mass I was born in 2 months you understand
no first name
so eno pen fon hwe na da nyama no mo anya sade amba no football no enkomo wo me ni omo didi enkomo so pa nyama mo film na no oten nyama mo film na no oten but set time ne ko na teori ma me fence na ni aka na ntua so nyame ado bochira so ebe ye ya na enche dan ye ya za
ye betena se
ye because bibia to be bom za no nge wi abeko we na na se ono so no age ye tena se hwe
you dey ewia
say me said I do this how me said I do this enkrofo ye yi nka se o mo twe yi kakra be se fa me so come the for producer ne so no so atwe aba but man te hwe bio me say am so afa ho wai cause graba afa ho wai ade media di so ba afa ho wai
and you know writer and I'm telling you say fi say no audio ba be kan sama ni ade a obi dia baze yi na ye na ni jon boss na asem na ye ka no ope ball no tene ye chirichiri boss no na oti wa wasere sa so ofie ana o hwe dwumadi no ni ade a wasere sa oba tino oso ope boss no tino se ne ye no na ni jon pa tino eno so no ofie no monitor show no tino then make an ko bia so de ba ne ma asem ho ne mbe ma asem kana ana na kan kana kakra baton do tumi ka chirichiri mu ani ade a enti anonso no na fisam ye de si ye medi nkomo ofie writer ande wa sorry krobia sante wa ha papa fresh awana afin so no adwoa opoku ezonam yes Menina Musinia waha be a member who care chiri is a man senior and also waha eba bedim and komo drawn betujwa and then 4 p.m. Ghana time expectation our draw at the same Papa Fresh and so waha na Eddie Sanko but I can't miss one team be there and come where they are Ghana or by a group now Zuba hey me paper na yira me draw na my paper na yira I want for you so person by the bugas in I don't to moto me ade atama so me move paper no me move paper I don't know I'm out for person by the bugas in I no way if in bag me ade but sorry me the teams are Ghana be shia beba I know den me nu ma we den we utwum ten sa me ni de o Ghana group enti I no I'm out with your for our friends bibia come
bibia shey Diamond
what do you say di Scratch yes ska wo nti no na na wakunku ase krokro be ma no ama obeti so sa
Diamond so won
onyame adom na experience nti
okay
e won den say ababo na ata so ye wom sa
ore obenya asamo
so you know ye nti no
mo bi an ye man obi an ye on se crop ya hwe wanim
or se minu on minu ya no ye nchen minu ya no ni mi ope onu sunu ya me penti no I don't know ajwa ma kwa ba ajwa ngaza be microphone be ona yendi nkomo ajwa opoku onom brekum Chelsea Greater Accra rep and I know if you Greater Accra veteran Eastern region
you're right Aka and I'm so concerned look it's high time
hey what the affirmative woman empowerment
to me they be the men in Kwana Mudreum as he said Mbano we're the first you qualify this question I raised the other time a platform so almost say the draw no Black Stars qualify it brings them a lot of money so they are comparing it to we but look yenya desa sebi mmema moko di agora hinyina yedimbuchi yetamwichi Black Stars na yina ye bompa ye mamo nti adnamba no edu ho a ye papa nana do dankwa ana ye papa ket ye de omoja yesi osa just nobody is talking about the women Black Stars nkwa even some of us we the women themselves cry ye refi say the women has qualified nti look it's high time mba moma ye bufo a yetume bompa ye tiamu hey so what you say nti me mpanyimfo na cho they should look at the women because America ye ekui we dey sika ye dem Black Star for no at least on my half pay we only not even full just half that's what we want fine so it's high time they pay attention to us and our draw is so there minyanka yobo Uruguay South Korea
we don't know how
and we
I got change about I don't know how ko bo team ba ko and they were then two teams now ba ko dey we den
me
we den and we share until no fashion team
and Insha Suarez me pay revenge
and there was pop and they are real one about Barcelona omo pimo e kire we dey afina ja mo ko nya no mo bu nimu and you know I don't know Krobia yeah say draw no na we expectation will draw 4 p.m. pepe and I chance team Ghana teams ben ahwe na yeah
well okay yenja it for nyina for the second time I think say ene da Ghana yenyina no ye be bomb pie say ye benya teams when it's come to say ye mbo 90 minutes of football at least if not say ye lusu kwata krana ye betumi no one ball do a certain level because ye nya time wa ye ne eneno Germany ebo draw but wo hwe performance aye da na di ye nya time wa ye ne Portugal no mo wo hwe performance aye da na di a utumu se encourage yen say oh yes yen so ye ja yen edu baby because baby a enenu aye yen dada sitting mu nyina no always bia obenya obi a oye on top of the other and I think say ye kwe no yenso ye can minus teams no ho a ye call the tournament what can the minus teams are I don't think say obetumi ye Ghana FM and teams are ye kɔ no yenga ye modimbo na nkasa nso entumi anhye da nkyere despite say ya qualify no yenga anhye da nya modimbo bia ye so convincing say ye kɔ no ye ka kɔ ye bibi especially in attacking front no e kɔ no so I think say ye nyina ye be bomb pie for a draw at least yebenya teams bi a yen so yebetumi and wo mo aye den go toe to toe kakra.
Yeah, because me dem aka say Ghana ye ko World Cup no yenye yen underdogs.
Sure.
I say me yen say oh ya Bobby ya bought 3 times near identity no yeah big team ne ko yes Ghana a football country yes any but this time around which your squad na any me fan say preparation near there no and say that any sorosa any momentum no kra no enti no yenko as underdogs I wanna yakọ na sabiu me nka see but ankoko here you say at least yakọ na expectations na here any sorosa but yakọ firm need to be qualify for group stage honom no and be say na say we ko anima fanti yanko as underdogs you know arrangement
okay no dey I think say yes an ye nyina ye hwe na no say ye benya teams a ye betumi ne won abobi teams a ye betumi ne won abobi eno keke na me hwehwe emu ye den especially group A and I say port 1 no urade ekebe nti ye hwe nim ulusu ba kon na ubo draw back on na win back on wetumi qualify from the group phase so I know ne ade aye bon pai won see benya teams a yenso ye betumi ne won abokakra
much as we want to be as underdogs crano so see ABL person Costa Rica money those Japan so you can't say way banty you would be we should just be prepared for
sure and you be prepare you mean say Ghana they World Cup they prepare ye financially they always be we've never had problem about money in this annual manner and they ever prepare ye but squad preparations anyhow prepared the players Nankasa will be on the day and not as you know yes
we will always be depending on the parties and co we need say ABA for example Kotoko him say Mbela na mfege bi wo be striker score ma but say Black Star enim ne obehye say we no wait party never show say Jordan Mo and we don't know so at least the striking department there or say a person na because obviously it's Michia France in there today I was hearing platform bisu or the Germany France and are you serious? Do you love your country? Seriously, but how can you go and meet France? The defending champions. How can you say that?
Tournament there, oh quite. What boy who ya team ya say yes zero. It's imagine say a group na yenya France, defending champions, Germany, Poland, and Ghana will group. I say be there. Okay. About Messi, but France airport 1, Germany airport 2. South ya say Poland airport 3 and Ghana airport 4. It's the France, Germany, Poland, Ghana. Okay. And you say very beautiful football.
See, as much as I will prepare, even the Brazilians and Ankasakra, one more which say one more even the likes of Germany.
Yes.
You get me? No matter, but Brazil, one the most successful club or tournament, and I say, but sometimes who consider some path to be going forward, and you need to me propel ahead. You get me? We will all, not Ghana alone. Countries in our qualifying, they are all praying for. So one Benya teams at least one way to me one more match. So that one we cannot take it.
Oh yeah. No, we will Prosperous Nado. Once on a general secretary, the Ghana football. Once on your Okata. Go on the page. So Ghanaians supporting this April 14. What if FIFA says our qualification to Qatar 2022 is April 4 and that we will play against Nigeria again? You know, General Secretary do that. Oh, Cabedo.
The best job.
I to go
yes. I think say okay. Okay, mami group port 1 on a mention.
Port 1.
Me fadia ti o me nya me dia me ye no me fadia me hu say to me ebeboa me man Ghana.
Okay.
Yes.
Port 1 Qatar on a host nation, Brazil, Belgium, France, Argentina, England, Spain and Portugal.
Yes. Okay. There is this consideration minimum say it happens. Minimum say say this concentration and I say considerations it happens in our football but sometimes even draw now one more year no cry and fair. And the last Champions League draw one more year no it shows and yen from onset say draws ni bi wo hwa one more year and Qatar being the host nation you know utie the American Qatar being the host nation you know there's no way wɔn bɛ ma no team bi a emu bɛhyɛ da yɛ den paa so baby a Ghana yɛn yɛ falling no if say yɛn yɛ lucky a yɛbɛtumi anya kata so I would prefer say yɛbɛnya kata in the first way no mame Port 2
Port 2 Netherlands and I say the Dutch yes Denmark Germany Switzerland Uruguay and I always say Uruguay Croatia 2018 finalist United States of America the likes of Christian Pulisic McKennie mo Abrante and Indiana Raina mo from pa and Mexico yes Mexico and Port 2 Netherlands Denmark Germany Uruguay Switzerland Croatia US and Mexico
okay minya Mexico abemi de yes
and then your analysis
yes
and as a team I always say Ghana benya in our group
yes
fantastic
I be boy be favor
okay
yes
okay I say when I say one penal
oh Mexico Uruguay too tough Mexico okay Mexico sisi a wo team no hwe mu a wo mo nhyɛ da yɛn too convinced unsem ye one of the people are me share CONCACAF games pa ubeka unse always me CONCACAF
no,
yes
sure.
Me share CONCACAF a lot of their matches and their last match against Costa Rica me share 90 minutes and to my monitor that third place a wo munyai in that particular group and you know Canada top here followed by United States of America and wo munya that third position how they struggled and sana wo mu bedu no I think say yenya wo mu a one more players, no. Metumi aka say one more top star. Abrante friend Heaven Lozano of Napoli.
Yeah.
Then goalkeeper Ochoa, the experience.
But I think this time they will try and bring in Abrante and then find it say Giovanni Dos Santos and maybe Jonathan Dos Santos.
Yes, I think these are players the likes of
Osha the last World Cup Mexico boy now. They were in a group
Germany. In the first game they were
Germany. So when they come to a tournament, I am not more than one or so. Oh, they compare qualifiers. I'm not born in the CONCACAF now. There now, I know more than one or so in the World Cup more than the CONCACAF no more. So I think they Patreno, Iran, Japan, Morocco. Any idea Ghana be share Morocco? It's an one continent Africa no there yenya yinhia ho Serbia Poland South Korea Senegal Tunisia in African countries now portray ni there there Ghana ebenya bi because South Africa slot na just 5 in tenya do amde yen be share ho in a group into Iran Japan Serbia Poland South Korea omo ba ko betima ba Ghana group
okay Bomo my in Poland bend bibia beka say Lewandowski enti and then akoka Poland and then
yenya Japan na anke you
okay
na Iran
din say unse ma peke katarada din say o men sa Asia fo no be
Iran Japan no
yes din say obenya
so ye dey my European country
yes
maybe we say European countries me no a group
enti eno na me ma for Poland because me ma hwehwe wodi nya two Asian way. No. One munyen sir. So choosing Qatar already, no. I'll go for Poland.
You are choosing Qatar, Mexico.
Yes.
And I feel so Poland.
Yes. One European, one Asian,
and one probably
CONCACAF
for yes. Okay, yes. So I crop there no. Producer muchon tour. Poland, Mexico. What can I say? Your friend is saying Ghana, Poland, Mexico, and I feel so Qatar. And they could be there. Honestly, or expected. Say Ghana, Ebenya. I do a dynamic cup of fresh. So things been our best mobile. Ebia Unya, Ebia Oshe, Team Numa, Ebia Brazil, Nebia Yenyabe, Germany, na Yenya Ebia, Serbia, Onzanke Befa, Anna.
Portugal.
Hey. But there was
like South Korea and Ghana.
See, I do say Portugal. Portugal, Uruguay, South Korea, Ghana. Yeah. Our friends are noting it down. I see Portugal, South Korea, Uruguay, and Ghana. Yeah. And then I join the group on about Papa Fresh. I
think so. Mesobedi and the short. But probably I can be ready for draw Ghana. Unya Ananka yen. Yes, I can World Cup no more. And I think say ye nyina nya yanka na ya drawing with teams ni on betimi abo but and shada ankosa because so hwe port na be pie mu na wo hwe ba bia teams ni bi ne wo na kan ke wo say yani European countries ni bi den ebo and wo hwe me draw na my na I think say Ghana me hu say any Germany any Portugal best group mu this draw me media no and third be Poland and Ghana and I think say me draw no yes media near Ghana Poland Germany and lastly Portugal
Poland Germany
yes
and Portugal
yes because I think say Qatar Oshe as a host nation no I don't think say they would draw Qatar with Ghana at least Oshe countries ni bin so I say omo points no more in was true bebre so some of these countries most of them no eta host nations ni bi ni omo and me hope say Ghana draw no ye betimi anya draw papa but we are there but me hope say be nya draw because the last time I any Germany no echo group no yehu performance Ghana eda na di and yeah caught this World Cup I think say idea back where was say Ghana yeah prepare for ne say you betimi anya country bia ne na abo that one there you betimi aba wo hwe how our port net na you betimi anya country bia we Africa countries ne free mu you betimi anya bia ne na abo including France no many Spain no many Germany no yeah no more munyi betimi adan our one group and you say for now until say tournament ne be start this year no some month later some month and I think say I was say preparations no na yeah ni na you know adwa kan efa yeah attacking third one I think say very bad edma Ghana for the past years no compare Ghana goals are yene countries ni bi shia yetimi ehye na I think say ofem bebre and ISS ade no na fitama asamoaja no mo woni nyina ase affect Ghana kakra because coach Milovan Rajvac by then time that bi no I think say one goal project na na ekura mu ayede edu but edu ba bi emu ye den a yehia mo goals ni yetimi qualify kwa yanimu a na yentimi enye den enhye da goals no and I think say ya ye pese build a new Black Stars no yeah fa coach fufuro I don't know say to ado beto so na say ye be fa coach fufuro I think say we say ye work on yeah striking ability no yeah attacking third wo ekwan e be fa so create more chances because who create here now we then we share Ghana for the past years no your creativity no e wo fam ye pa and I hope say Ghana itimi to niema ye bosomia aka to the tournament ni itimi to niema ye pa I think say country be e be ba no ye ne on betimi abo because ya na anwen say ye ne country be say Germany betimi abo World Cup a whole World Cup ye ne on be bo 1-1 wo share chances yes say no that game na I think say itimi e share ebi kan okra nka Ghana itimi ekọ nanim ewo that World Cup so ye hope say empanifo betutu niema ye nyina anim say aban bia ebeba bia no ye World Cup onsam ene emema ball de sika ne de ombo ho modern edi bi wuram that one there ombo modern edi sika komu pa but I don't know say technically I no need a problem there I say now no yetimi solve that issue ni enya players bia and I say enya sharp players on betimi abo Ghana but eke ade ba kwa mpesa meka enkrofo kasa bebre de afa Salisu ne so eche was oba Ghana na say Abranten say ya man time and I think say I say nya abutrema Abranten because eke ye krom ha no ade ba kwa aka en ho pa sai sika agege ne na asefo sai sika agege ha e bebre and enye say bi obi na ye Mohamed Salisu atwam nti na che say e wo so ye den oba bebo ma Ghana no enyi se sa na e wo say ye no enne me no ka say eke eda sokoso ana say wo GFA e wo ye kan say management committee num e wo Ghana football num still one crofo eden ejeje sa ade no
but first yes. That issue no
yes,
to other about this and come on
okay
say there are certain players and I say some of our players are in the Black Star, you know, FA4 and the almost some can any idea true. And baby, you pushing.
I was here pushing.
To make us say yes, we have a solid defense. The likes of Amate, Jiku, Edumu Ayadi, but we are there, backup.
Yes.
And a tournament in the Echo. Yes. You are Crabation, every do tournament.
We have at least central defenders, best say 4, 5. 6 crowd.
That's when you pay pen.
Yes, sir.
Because the boy, you could
borrow back account.
And November,
now
and we will start the season. Another season as an Aqua World Cup.
Yes.
If they do so, can I say you play Bia Kupra?
Sabi more men.
Yes.
So I think say ni hu hia pa. Mate group ni Ghana, Poland, Germany, and Portugal for the second time.
Okay.
Ghana, Poland,
Portugal.
Yes.
Ghana, Poland, Portugal, and Germany.
Yes.
I will tell you.
I was saying on wiki. If I say yeah, near been for an anti Senegal, so yeah, no bad thing. And media on wiki.
Okay. And yeah, my friends, right at the end of the and Sana, yes, so good afternoon, AK. Okuman is the best. Hashtag Okuman FM, more fire. And so no, and Famam, we say good afternoon, staff. Number 1, AK, God richly bless you with more grace and healthy from now and then. Say amen for 3 times. Amen. But for Black Stars issue now is to accept any outcome from each and every game they will play in a good mood and maintain the team for about 3 years if we want them. Richard inside Odumase and I said Noasu City Odumase Kobo and I went to me Eddie Abba. As if you want them to become like Messi and Co, you keep you on for 3 years. And some. And also, Nadia, where to me, Eddie Abba, and no. 1, 2. We see, I'm Martin from Ayekopon. AK, keep it up. Hi goes to the boy at Okuma Radio and say, Alex at Shoe Fabric. Nidio Diaba, on also Chichasa. And no. Say, I don't know, Chiasa, Janchia Gay, what if you have got 2 months and compared on the idea, and came out, you know. And you're going about Chia Gay, because 1 movie doing radio, so, sir. Quabana Majesty, about, I say, more fire, and confirm a team, no Sansona, a fear, or you know what, I say, more fire, and confirm more fire, so, and confirm out, baby, I will be about Pagina Papa B, or shall stag, or command Global Sports. Papa, I thought you were so. Kofi Ajiman Black Man, I say good afternoon. Watching you inside Pig Farm in Accra. More fire and confirm. Kwapong Samo, also come on, you are the best. And also Eddie Adiaba, Chaos, Jamena, also come on, you do all. They just say no, Brumo Kata, Brumo Fini, Adia, then some of the bar. No, so any to me, Aj. Nana Baya, I say hi, good afternoon. Okuma Radio, good work. Nana yeah, and also my fans, sa. Ewa ha. Laye Boyo, Bankwe, no military officer Tim. Asa, I don't know, Omunko Kumbia intino. I found the phone. I don't know, you can't know Russia. Come now, phone that baby I'll create you. It's officer, when it's I say, well done, guys. No, so but me about famous Jays. I'll say, good afternoon, watching you inside Tinkong in Eastern region. And I feel so Prince Kwachi. I said, they need about say, or share, Papa Prince. I mean, Chiana, Isha Chapa, no, and also, Zuba, far away, bre, far away, bra. I took for me, I did, positive. Zuba,
Zuba,
far,
Mama, Port 1.
Now,
Dabi, Port 1. Okay, Port 1 was it, me ha to me, Zuba, I don't know you. Super. Super didn't know you. Super Belgium. Uti Belgium. Okay. Port 2. Germany. Port 3. Serbia. And Ghana. Super maybe you don't know.
Yes.
Super maybe.
Obi ascend name will be at the free. Doha Sisia.
Okay.
I say Kata group no.
Okay.
Kata group A no bit my say. I say bit my Qatar.
Okay.
Germany, Senegal, Canada.
Group A no.
Ono ne dia dia mameni from Doha.
From Doha.
Achira me say o say owo Doha ho.
Okay.
And to mbebo awuram inside.
Okay.
Na draw na babaton.
Ka Senegal film Ghana o.
O shema o say Qatar, Germany, Senegal, Canada.
Oh.
Ntanka Senegal betime nyom tie didim kakra.
Go be Ghana.
Hu bi da. Egypt ko 2018 World Cup. No na Russia, Saudi Arabia nom.
Vaso afa.
Wanya 1 point kra.
Tisuba media no.
What dia no say?
Belgium. Germany, Serbia, and Ghana. Inti no. Merie. You betime akọ group H.
Away. So I was there group H. Okay, you go group H. Ya so be Sofia ba. Sia. Right there, Sia.
Sia ba ku bi akọ ebi ama no a che no.
So ba ku si entwanity ni ade nti.
Ba ku bi brass obema
50,000. So no si entwanity no.
No. Na ya hu ne de.
You entwanity you na 50,000.
After game no ya hu no. Otimi pie de.
No mpio ba. And you know NBA phone lines no. Now so no draw no. Then ya be hu na fa team star best Ghana share no. So do dia banye Ghana ko African country bi abeze. Also no share team betimi aboa no now they about 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 obi or chen Zuba obi so chen you don't dey krata say na fakura me nti omunka e san se wi ya na almost afre obi za o chen obi che 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 Zuba I'm far we mura hello Zuba Phantom na yenhwe ya nti mo amwo chen ne nti mo chen ache kakra hello,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby Afrefi.
The Pacho Dingi Ogu Francis to run after Lampard.
Lampard utemu Be Nice Kitchen, my intio.
The Pacho Mjimpa. Me Pacho na mpese wakai madiri but fee. Okay, private work happen.
Okay.
You na okay. We have in the media my rubber ball. Otena. Okay.
So channel babo.
You do guys will military Moses Saka.
Lampard go fast. Asem ni fio go fast mama. Wo.
Mo police go park for mama why me that's it.
Hey, I'm funny propaganda some kromasa. Asem atwam me mani mo years ni. Ogwa go fast. Ede ababio Moses Park ono mo betena takwa osrew oma. Sulens odwen no no say no forget this anya. 0551 667755 0551 66 7755 and 0270 191 971 and you 4 p.m. na draw na to dwa to forma e de ba nipa na be ya ga se bit ma ya no be brego so ya hwe to 4 p.m. be ba na ya no akọ ya kata efe akọ na agba echiri wa asa so de ko Costa Rica but any Zuba mami okay mami fa we hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby Afrefi.
Yes, sir, Frank. Ekropon School for the Blind.
Frank, Ekropon School for the Blind, Eboko.
Yeah, no.
Okay, mentio.
Yeah, that's the first thing. Money and draw. Remember the good thing, right?
Jose.
The female of the good king. Yeah, that's for Sanati Masi. Uncle Swan and Martha Munyadi Mandesi. And in next year, I'm going to go to Africa, right?
Okay, Omako ya de Africa. Omako ya de. Yada say. And also Omako je. Also Omako ya de. Okay, Omako je. J. Oh man, Ghana team be here ready so by Africa. 0551667755. 0551667755. I say me hu Japan be o mani so. Duba I say Japan be me hu blue. Teams that come so no blue na so Japan. Say Blue Samurai. Blue Samurai, me blue Japan na ade awo me so na ade antino ishia Japan nya mwa antino yerbesi na ya kwe de me mu bia be 10 seconds you be power fresh 10 seconds
Diamond I think Premier League nso baso Ghana there na baso weekend and yeah we say referees ne betimi Edem Rana ya juma na ya nya Ghana Premier League papa and has an medium by and for the last time, I think has a folk performance in the offend be brave. But I was sure more so made me I didn't call them. Kotoko Nikin Fasa say revenge and I sample repeating so I think say Kotoko was so much because King Fasa it me a show first round. And Tiki draw the day shared him say Ghana, a benyani, I bet me abo. But yenya a man is adia. Never saying when we are shall see prepare them. Na ye pay coach or no be lead team because ye kwaya draw na asa na woni coach e also coach na ekopie mo but coach na asa obo qualify ni wie no na adwuma ba wie but e was say ba na ye timi nya coach na ye timi shase entem tutu ne mantem se na be ya ye betimi akona last time ye koye 2010 dia na ye koye na ye timi koye ne mu no so ye timi ato aso eke.
All right, and Papa Fresh. Krobia, young final.
Yeah, Mintia, Akoko Aso boys in KJ Trent. On Webium. Yeah, or a designer. Yes, Webium. I know on ne Ejumaya for Nina or Muguswa or Muye Bibia. I know what you oh, Yejia, travel and see for Nina, Michia Bibia, or president. So, down. Travel and see any Akoko Aso for Nina, Michia.
Yo, upon my dear very say.
KJ Trent.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I must Musa. So I come that.
Ochina Bazu. Yes, Ochina, my sister. Yes. Ochina, my sister, Mechiba.
And you know, I never could jack Kobiana. This is our this is our don't go jack on this guy. Hey. I went to Papa. I got that guy. I share. I say I could take she had baby on general. I was on I could that guy on podium. Maybe you be sure be here. Into no, what we say no agenda. I got the baby or baby and I can't have a I could not find out that face. I could take she. I say into I don't wish I 10 times already. Into no, change I could take you. There will be wish I be here. The virgin I could take wish she and no, the change I will corner. Yes, Krobia sister, Amisi, Yenya Akona, Akobwana, Iphone, Koso Kama, Ntino, what's the star kui, and che, na, want to ya Lily, Nchia Lily, Aviay. Aha, Ayako.
Okay, make sure management, Uncle Joseph, Nina Nankitia. Yeah, Bricum Chelsea, any RT, or Kumasi. You saw your another game, I think with Kim Pfizer. Yeah. And after that, so the big game, El Clasico, Kotokone, Hatofuk. In Tiadradi, I'm going to be in Kumasi.
So for 2 weeks, yes. Because only out, you know, Obeda Kumasi. Na Kim Pfizer, Wada Kumasi, and San Wasanda Kumasi, actually, Kotoko. Into another, I don't know, Obe 2 year regional minister, Simon. What's
I'm looking forward to Chelsea. Yes, he had to leave due to family issues.
Okay. Well, sure.
It's true.
Call me one seminar. How?
It's family issues.
Family issues
is very important.
Oh, okay.
Family issues.
No, not more than a contract. Net is saying.
Family issues.
But I say, one and how many years?
H3, me no bekasa.
Oh, contract the same fancy.
Oh, they me no bekasa. Time crack and see Ochina Premier League no best starting into be a stadium no Andra say Kotoko. I didn't like the attendance. I don't know what's happening.
My issue 11 so abantino one for consider obo weekend ya next 2 weeks na TV and some go back no I boys can to
Membra Stadium na Brekum Chelsea me see top 4 ne de yo ho
ayo and to man say so what top 4 and I know ya adwa fokuya opoku ezonam ono ana tell kana na woman empowerment fighting ma black princesses and black maidens na dia e wo na ja Brekum Chelsea team na to abetena pu man tem ne ade a enti ano so no kona mi amadam fu made oyi ampofu ore yi a uni yi na beso be bon oba no ye na ye enti tuba e be sine akweza producer Yura Kofi Anson ba for Samson and head of sports na Kofi Okorajo and producer extraordinary boy Juma DJ Zigby e boy I'm a Facebook etumi twegu ya papa the first Krobia Sante what's your nka the writer commentator TWC for short and all that me and when she na SPD recovery and so I want to finish on Abigail vibes and I don't zip and so no etumi boy Chidop and you know like I say no yes Akuapem Icons Football Academy Equipem Icon Football Academy any year that so ka say forms no e wo hanoma ba under 14 under 17 unsa ebetima ka forms ni bi under 14 no 20 Ghana cedis under 14 no 20 Ghana cedis Samson under 17 no 30 Ghana cedis ntia no pa Okuma radio ha e ba na ubisa also performs ni bi ball no forms na e be ma ni ye boa na fi ye develop talent no Equipem na fi so no mebu a mona mon ketenkete no obi anso no etumi akon e de akon enim is about time you be develop talent e we Equipem ti no Equipem Icons Football Academy aba ye ba beboa na dwumedie ni nyina so no etumi akoso kama me say na 14 no 20 Ghana cedis sansa na 17 30 Ghana cedis a eno so ba onsa ebetumi akabi medim Kelvin Amponsedi obetumi afrem AK because no 4 p.m. do betoja dem Blue Samoya oya de a uzabeka sanso na ayi Bogota for no ayi for no madam fu Lukaku ayi team no and also no they likely say we ba Lukaku team no they likely say we ba into no I don't so no yamepa Joada ebehia na afin so no ye de draw ni nyina wonsem e de atoja enso etimi de ama muchumka higher
Okuma Radio.